I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we're going to make Mountain Pour soap. So we know it can be really difficult to find hand sanitizer these days with the coronavirus going around and everything. So we're going to show you how to make your own Mountain Pour antibacterial soap. So soap is created by a combination of oils and water emulsified by lye. This means it will attach to both oil and water. So what does this mean when it comes to the coronavirus? Well, the coronavirus has a lipid membrane. So what happens is the oil in the soap will attach itself to this membrane, weakening it and breaking it apart. This is simply chemistry 101, like dissolves lye. So when you rinse your hands, the soap will bond with the water and it'll go down the drain. Now, that being said, today we're going to be making our antibacterial soap using a few of our essential oils. We have tea tree oil, peppermint, and lavender. If you would prefer, you can also use oils like oregano or cinnamon. The choice is yours. So, we would like to mention that if you choose to make a soap that is antibacterial, you would really need to sell it simply as soap. If you label it as antibacterial, you would then need FDA approval. So, let's go ahead and make our soap. The first thing we're going to do is cut our Nature's Garden's Ghost Milk Mountain Pour soap base. So now that I have my soap cut, we're going to take it to the microwave and melt it in 30-second intervals until it's in a fluid state. All right, so now that we've melted our soap, we're going to go ahead and add our essential oil. This is an equal blend of peppermint, lavender, and tea tree. And now we're simply going to pour it into the mold. And we are going to use rubbing alcohol to spray the loaf and release any air bubbles that are in there, but this is totally optional. And finally, we are going to add some lavender buds. Now we're going to let it set up and then we'll cut it once it's finished hardening. Okay, so now that our soap has set up, we're going to go ahead and remove it from the mold and cut it. All right, and there you have it. You have made your own antibacterial soap. So until next time, we'll see you later, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel for even more tutorials and share and like the video.